My name is Jon McCullers. My background is as a pediatric infectious disease doctor, and I spent the last 28 years in Memphis, Tennessee. The thing that excites me the most about being the new dean at the Fertitta College of Medicine is the opportunity we have for growth. Our mission is to provide physicians to the state of Texas. We are planning to grow from our current class size of 60 to 120 per year and grow our patient volume so we can take more care of the community. The mission of the new Fertitta College of Medicine is a really exciting and unique one. It is very community-facing. We're trying to train a new generation of physicians and equip them with the tools to do medicine in a different way. We're really trying to focus on population health, on preventative medicine, and on how we effectively deliver care despite a lot of the barriers out there. Our students are a very diverse mix coming from urban, suburban, and rural environments, with many of them being first-generation college students, and that really reflects the composition of Houston as well. I'm very fortunate to be the new dean at the Fertitta College of Medicine here in Houston, Texas, and I have had a wonderful, warm welcome. The message I'd like to give to students, faculty, staff, and our community as I come in as the new dean of the Fertitta College of Medicine is I am here for you. This is all about us being here to solve problems in our community, to deliver care better in new and innovative ways, and I'm here to serve and make sure that happens. Go Cougs!